Hi there. So, are you ready to transform your indoor space into a thriving garden? My name is Tracy, and I am thrilled to announce that I have just released my first online course, Indoor Hydroponics for Beginners. So, in this course, I will take you step by step through the essentials of setting up an indoor hydroponic system. So, whether you live in an apartment or a house in a cold climate or a hot climate, you will learn that you can easily grow nutrient rich produce in any environment. So, this course will contain over 90 minutes of step by step tutorials that you can follow along with at your own pace. In this course, I will show you how to set up a complete indoor hydroponic system using the Cracky method. This will include how to select the correct containers, lights, and essential equipment. From there, I will show you how to start lettuce from seeds, nurture it all through the growth stages, and then harvest it using the cut and come again method. I will be giving you very clear tutorial instructions on how to mix and monitor nutrient solutions and also how to use EC and pH meters to ensure optimal nutrient balance for healthy plant growth. We also take a close look at our plants as they grow and troubleshooting any problems that may come along, such as nutrient imbalances, pH fluctuations, and plant health issues. And by the end of this course, I hope that you will have gained the foundational skills to apply hydroponics to a whole variety of other vegetables like herbs, tomatoes, and cucumbers, creating a year-round indoor garden that fits your needs. So if you're ready to embrace the joy of growing food indoors, then join me in this course and let's start your hydroponic gardening journey together.